Hello, and my topic of presentation is before triggers versus after triggers. So, what is triggers? Trigger is a stored procedure which runs automatically when event occurs in a database management system project. So, in trigger, we can actually call there are special properties of trigger by which we can call a trigger either before or after running the stored procedure. So, what is before trigger are executed before executing an actual trigger. So the syntax of a before trigger usually includes creating of trigger, then we use the keyword before insert it, which means that the trigger is created before initiating the insert function, and later the normal programming logic execution takes place. So if the trigger statement is false, the trigger executes. If the condition is true, the trigger executes. Then what is after trigger? After trigger executes after a trigger is executed. So here a trigger is created or a trigger is done after particular statement is executed. If the statement execution is true, the trigger is created. If the statement execution does not satisfy the condition, then the trigger does not get executed. Well, this is the end of my presentation.